Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to forward shared links on the new WhatsApp app for PC. If you often use WhatsApp on your computer to manage messages, files, and media, this new update makes organizing and sharing links faster than ever. Let's go through the steps together so you can do it easily in just a few clicks. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and your chats have fully synced. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Look for the media icon. It's the one that gives you access to all your shared content, including photos, documents, videos, and links. Click on that media icon and you'll see different categories appear. Now, select links. This section gathers every link you and your contacts have shared in your chat. It's a quick way to find all those web pages, YouTube videos, or documents that have been passed around without scrolling endlessly through messages. Once you are inside the links section, go to the top of the window and click on the select icon. This feature lets you choose multiple links at once. Go ahead and click on all the links you'd like to forward. It could be one, a few, or even an entire list. You're in control. After selecting everything you need, look for the forward icon and click it. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose who you want to send these links to. You can pick one recipient, multiple contacts, or even a group chat. When you're done selecting, just hit send. That's it. You've successfully forwarded shared links using the new WhatsApp PC update. This feature is perfect for saving time, keeping your resources organized, and sharing useful information without switching between devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more how-to guides just like this one.